In a very significant development, the DRDO has conducted successful maiden test of vertically launched short-range surface air-to-missile system from its integrated test range. It is a next-generation air defense system with a range of more than 40 kilometers that will provide 360-degree interception against low radar cross-section targets. It can be launched from 16-cell vertical launching system from frontline ships of the Indian Navy, while the Army will get a truck-mounted canister-based launching system. The DRDO's Defense Research and Development Laboratory has released a tender for airframe manufacturing of indigenous very short-range air defense system that is being developed for Indian Army's very short-range air defense program worth $1.5 billion. And this comes at a time when the procurement process from Russia remains stuck due to complaints made by other competitors. It will have a range of 6 kilometers and will weigh less than 25 kilograms and will feature a dual-band infrared homing seeker with fire and forget capability. Indian Army's Military College of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering and Ordnance Factory (MEDOC) have signed an academic and technical linkage agreement, under which both these institutions will jointly design indigenous armored tracked vehicles and manufacture various systems. There were also reports that the Ordnance Factory unit took assistance of an Israeli firm to improve the design of its future infantry combat vehicle prototype, which has already gone through internal developmental trials in mid-2020, including testing of main gun along with anti-tank guided missile systems. DRDO Chief Dr. Satish Reddy has said that the DRDO has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Hindustan Aeronautics for the production of indigenous AESA radar system with transfer of technology, and only the first 20 Tejas Mark 1A fighters will get the Israeli radar system, while the DRDO developed AESA radar system will be integrated from the 21st Mark 1A fighter jet, which means that 63 of the recently signed 83 Tejas Mark 1A fighters will have the indigenous radar system that will push the indigenous content of the Tejas to 65%. Indian private sector firm Integrated Defence Systems Private Limited has started the flight testing of an indigenously developed twin-engine target drone named SHATRU that can carry a number of payloads for various mission requirements and is also recoverable by parachute. It has an operating range of more than 100 kilometers, speed of 792 kilometers per hour, and can operate at an altitude of 8,000 meters. They have also developed a pneumatic air vehicle launcher that can launch a 200 kilograms UAV at an speed of 53 meters per second. The chairman of Kalyani Group has said that the advanced towed artillery gun system will start user trial for the third time in Sikkim very soon. The ATAGS had suffered a barrel blast last year, after which certain components were improved, and the improved system is expected to clear all trials by mid-2021. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has said that India will reduce its defence procurement process to 2 years, and the government has reserved 63% of its defence capital budget for the domestic industry for the fiscal year 2021 to 2022, which is around 70,221 crore rupees. He also informed that another negative list for imports will be issued next month, and the Ministry of Defence will also procure products worth 1,000 crore rupees from the IDEX startup companies. The deal for 15 light combat helicopters will be signed in March 2021, while the order for initial batch of 12 light utility helicopters will be placed in August 2022.
Omar dropped it.